Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video how to unlock Alcatel 2003 from Telenor Hungary. As usual, we have here one locked sample. Let's wait for it to start. As you can see, it's requesting the unlock code. 10 tries remained. We can also unlock the phones with the blocked counter or not asking the code at all. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use Furiousgold Pack 2 SPD tool. So from here I'm going to search for the model. Okay, so Alcatel OT-2003G. I'm going to click SIM log remove. Now let's power off the phone. In order to connect this model, we need to simply keep pressed the boot key and insert the USB. That's all we have to do. It's a completely different procedure compared to the old CPU phones. So let's press connect. Now I'm going to do what I told earlier. I'm going to keep pressed the call key and insert the USB. If everything is okay, you can see the phone gets detected. It's reading the info right now. Okay, so we are going to choose yes at direct unlock since the code rigging is not possible. That's it. Phone got unlocked. The phone restarts itself. As you can see, it's not requesting for the code anymore. We have here full signal, Vodafone Romania, running in this Telenor Alcatel. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.